Imagine hosting a family dinner where everyone raves about the crispy rotisserie chicken, golden fries, and perfectly baked desserts, all made in one appliance with minimal oil and zero stress. This Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven is here to transform your kitchen, making healthy, delicious meals a breeze. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a home cook craving versatility, this air fryer oven delivers. Why the Chefman 6-in-1 air fryer oven stands out? Cooking for a crowd or juggling multiple dishes can feel overwhelming. Burnt edges, soggy textures, and endless cleanup often steal the joy from home cooking. The Chefman 12-quart air fryer oven tackles these problems head-on with its 6-in-1 functionality, family-size capacity, and easy-to-clean design. From air frying to roasting, baking to dehydrating, this appliance does it all while keeping your meals healthier and your kitchen spotless. What makes this air fryer oven special? It's not just about frying, it's about redefining how you cook. With a 12-quart capacity, it's perfect for large families or gatherings, fitting whole chickens or multiple dishes at once. The digital touchscreen with 12 presets simplifies cooking, so even beginners can whip up restaurant-quality meals. Plus, the dishwasher-safe parts mean you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your food. Key features that spark joy in the kitchen: 6-in-1 versatility, air fry, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, roast, or reheat, all in one sleek appliance. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops. 12-quart family-size capacity. Cook for 6 to 8 people with ease, from whole rotisserie chickens to trays of veggies. Wide temperature range, 95 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. From delicate dehydrating to high-heat crisping with the high-fry option for extra crunch. 12 cooking presets. Intuitive touchscreen controls make it easy to cook everything from fries to cakes with a single tap. Rotisserie perfection. Stainless steel spit delivers juicy, crispy chicken with less fat than traditional frying. Monitor your meal. Interior lights and a large window let you watch your food transform without opening the door. Effortless cleanup. Removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Included accessories: 3 cooking racks, rotisserie spit and forks, retrieval tool, and drip tray, everything you need to start cooking. Benefits that make every meal a win. The Chefman air fryer oven isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Here's why it's earning rave reviews from home cooks. Healthier cooking made simple. Air frying uses up to 80% less oil than deep frying, delivering crispy results without the guilt. Perfect for health-conscious families who still crave flavor. Time-saving magic. Rapid air heating and presets cut cooking time so you can serve dinner faster, ideal for busy weeknights or last-minute gatherings. Versatility for every craving. From dehydrated fruit snacks to rotisserie roasts, this oven handles it all, reducing the need for multiple gadgets. Who's this air fryer oven for? The Chefman 12-quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven is perfect for large families. Feeds 6 to 8 people with ease, making it ideal for family dinners or holiday feasts. Health-conscious cooks enjoy crispy, flavorful meals with less oil and fewer calories. Busy professionals, quick presets and easy cleanup fit seamlessly into hectic schedules. Home entertainers impress guests with rotisserie chicken or party-sized appetizers. Beginner cooks. The intuitive touchscreen and presets take the guesswork out of cooking. Why choose Chefman? With CETL approval and a 1-year assurance, Chefman stands for durability and safety. Unlike cheaper air fryers that burn out quickly, this model feels built to last. Its sleek design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, and the 12 presets cater to every skill level. Plus, the trending hashtags below will help you join the conversation and share your culinary creations on Facebook. Air fryer recipes. perfect for showcasing your Chefman creations. Healthy cooking. Highlight your low-oil, crispy meals. Family meals, share your crowd-pleasing dishes. Kitchen hacks. Show off time-saving tricks with this 6-in-1 oven. Foodie vibes. Join food lovers raving about flavorful, easy meals. Final verdict, a kitchen essential. The Chefman 12-Quart 6-in-1 air fryer oven is a powerhouse that delivers on flavor, convenience, and health. Its large capacity, versatile functions, and easy cleanup make it a top pick for families, entertainers, and health-conscious cooks. Whether you're air frying wings, roasting a chicken, or baking desserts, this appliance makes every meal a success. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.